Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Learning Python Programming. So we've gone through the introduction and then we've looked at how to install Python. So now you have Python installed on your system. Okay. The next thing we are about to do is to write code for Python. So in order to write a code, we need something we call text editors. Okay. So you can just search for Python text editors. Yes, there are a lot of text editors out there. As you can see from here, there is a lot of them. Okay, there's Sublime, there's Atom, there's Vim. There's a whole lot out there to test out or just see which one best works for you. But for me, for this lesson I'll be taking you guys through, I will be using VS Code. Okay, I'll be using VS Code. So I'll just search for VS Code in the browser, and then it will take us to the VS Code website, and then we can have a look at what VS Code is. Now, for some of you, you've already downloaded this or you already have it, so it's fine. So this is VS Code. Okay, it's code editing refined and free. It's free, so you don't have to pay for it. Built on open source and runs everywhere in the browser, in any of your Windows distribution systems. Okay, so this is VS Code. It has IntelliSense. It has Git commands inbuilt. It has a lot of features that you may or may not use, but it's quite easy to get started. So I would say you should download it. I just click on the downloader here and it's gonna give you the best version for Windows or the latest version for Windows to install. If you are on Linux system, this is for you. If you are using Red Hat, this is for you. If you are using a MacBook, also this is for you. I'm using Windows, so you can just click here to start the download. So that is how you install VS Code. If you want to learn more about VS Code, you can go to their blog or their learn. I think their learn also teaches you how to install it. Yes. So install it, and then when you are done, we'll proceed to the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video. Thank you.